Coach, congratulations. Good performance by your guys today. Is it a little tougher going in events like this, knowing where you're kind of the prohibited favorite, and how do you kind of approach that when you're out there?
I try to get them to not let it get into their head that they are the favorites and they just need to play their game. And we just want to have fun. We're trying to get them to have a little fun out there and stay competitive, and we're very fortunate that's happened.
What performances today really stood out to you? Is there anybody in particular that you thought was, that did particularly well, given the conditions and everything today?
Jack Irons played really well at 1 under. Very proud of them. All of them started off pretty good, and they struggled a little bit when the wind picked up, but they finished strong. Because at one point, I think we ended up at 4 over for the team. I think we were 6 or 7 over at one point, but they finished strong, which is what I was encouraging them to do.
Well, one nice thing about the wind picking up is picking up for everybody else out there too, so it's probably going to be wreaking havoc with other people's scores as well.
That's true, yes.
But now, what do you guys feel about the state tournament? This looks like a really good group of guys. Like, what's kind of your goal going into that?
Well, obviously the first goal was to get to state. Now I have to look what other teams have done. I know American Heritage on the other coast is a very good team with some very good players, and when we're getting to that level of team, everyone's good. All the teams are good. So I have to look what the other regional scores are and set goals for ourselves, and obviously the final goal is to win states.
And what's the preparation like for an event like this? Do you do anything differently, or is it just kind of like same routines? Like what do you have to do preparation wise to go into an event like that?
Well, we haven't really changed the routine, and I'm very fortunate that the group of my team itself, or Naples team, is a very competitive team. The camaraderie on that team is good, and they're always encouraging everyone else to do well. And I think that in itself will make them do well in states.